value the co-ops here, I mean, it's probably immeasurable. You've got the degreed engineers full-times that are here. You get the guys on the floor, but it's nice to have a transition in between, and it gives the kids, like some really good experience as far as working with the floor. A lot of engineering students and industrial technologists and other co-ops don't have the opportunity to work with a plant. So when they're working in between engineering, full-time engineers that are on staff in the plant, it gives them that ability to kind of get down and dirty, work with the problem wherever it is, and then also work with the staff, work with engineering, service, quality. At first we had them just in engineering and just in facilities. That's kind of where we started. And then people started saying, that co-op is working pretty good, so maybe we should have some in quality, maybe we should have some in manufacturing engineering, maybe we should have some in purchasing. So they started kind of sales, they really started growing in the company.
My favorite part of being a co-op at Seagrave is being able to be down here on the floor working on the trucks. Gotten a lot of hands-on experience. I don't get stuck in my office all day. It's really just a great experience.
Being a co-op at Seagrave was a great experience that I would highly recommend to anybody that's looking for a co-op or an internship in an exciting and interesting field. They gave me a lot of creative freedom, and they also gave me a lot of responsibility that I wasn't able to find at other internships that I've done.
So what I enjoyed about my co-op experience at Seagrave was all the hands-on opportunity that you get. Something new every day. No 2 days are alike. I started over on the fabrication side, writing SOPs and helping the process with that, drawing parts up, process improvement, anything we could do over there. Got moved over to the assembly side, and then was actually asked to help step in and supervise the paint shop. So it's been quite the experience, and I can't wait to come back next year.
We have co-op students placed throughout the company in strategic locations, from sales and marketing to design engineering and manufacturing and safety and facilities. And the idea is to have new, fresh minds coming right out of school who can kind of question the status quo in the way we do things, and it helps to have that fresh perspective. We encourage students to get involved throughout the company in various projects, and to meet all the supervisors, and to get to know every area, every aspect of the company, which provides a lot of opportunity for the future within the company when students have graduated from school. Gives them a better idea of what they're getting themselves into, I guess.
Co-ops coming to Seagrave can expect to be highly integrated within their departments. We like to provide a good mix of individual and team projects. Co-ops have the opportunity to gain some hands-on experience with various forms of manufacturing systems and machinery, ranging from basic saws to high-precision press brakes and lasers. Our co-ops often find it valuable to gain some exposure to high-mix product manufacturing and the challenges that come with manufacturing a custom product. We continue to value our co-op program and are always looking for enthusiastic students and fresh perspectives.